Okay, welcome back everyone to the channel. So sorry I've been away for so long, but we've got a brief nature video today, and hopefully I'll be back soon with some more prophetic dreams. But we've got a little evening roosting flock of yellow-tailed black cockatoos. So really nice cockatoo of the Australian bush. So most of Australia's black cockatoos are endangered because they have highly specialized diets, but the yellowtails here, they have a much more diverse diet, so they do much better out in the Australian bush. So got a number of them there. I'll have to check my bird books, but if I recall correctly, the adult males have the pink eyes, the pink ring for the eyes, and the females have the black eyes. So probably got a adult pair there. I can also hear some juveniles begging in the trees, but it's just a bit hard for me to pick out which ones have which ones are the babies. So yeah, these guys have quite a diverse diet. They eat all the usual nuts and seeds in the trees, but they also eat insects, and in particular in the winter months you can see them ripping open the bark of dead trees, live trees, to rip out the boring grubs inside the trunks of the trees. So they've got very powerful beaks, well adapted for ripping out grubs out of trees. So I haven't been able to pick it up, but this here, the pink eye, that's an adult male, but sorry for my shaky camera, that might be a juvenile there. I can hear the constant begging noises, but obviously his beak's all covered up there. So, but yeah, just the constant begging for food from the adults. So yeah, we actually had a successful breeding event for yellow-tailed black cockatoos in Canberra just a few months ago in autumn, which was extremely unusual. So for whatever reason and God's blessing, we had some black cockatoos breed within the suburban environment of Canberra just a few months ago. Okay, that daddy might be gonna feed the baby. Almost looked like he's regurgitating some food, but no. He might be getting ready to feed that baby. There we go, that was a little meal for the baby, and all finished, it looks like. So it's little baby's dinner for tonight, I'd say. Maybe that's mummy there. Maybe little Junior got some food off daddy, and maybe he goes to mummy now. Try out its luck with mummy. Looks like Mummy is not having any of it. Okay, God bless you all my brothers and sisters in Christ. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.